Okay, hi Miss Dane. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Anong gagawin natin?
Um, Sorry, I have photos. I saw this on your video,
Like almost blonde.
but also this was my hair before. So I
Okay.
was wondering if I could go this light.
Anong history nito?
Um,
Sabay ba sila nag-blonde before or ito lang yung binlond mo?
no po. Like underneath it was bleached and then
Tapos, pinadark mo lang to. Okay. Full bleach ba?
I think so.
Okay. Closer sa mga ganong color kasi dito kasi may dark. Dito mas ma-achieve ko siya kasi nga may mga existing bleach ka na. So, isasagad natin sa roots or wag na? May root shadow na lang.
Okay po.
Tapos ito, full bleach natin. Pero, magdidepende tayo sa lifting.
Okay po.
Ha? Kasi pag hindi niya na kaya i-lift, pag ipipilit ko, baka mag-break lang. Ito, pale yellow. So, yun kasi na-bleach into a pale yellow. Kaya mas brighter. So, sa case naman ng hair mo, dark to. Dito, wala akong magiging problem. Dito, let's see kung hanggang saan kaya.
Okay po.
Ha?
But I just want to go as light as possible po.
Yeah. Malalighten ko naman na.
Okay
Pero
po.
magdidepende pa rin tayo dito.
Okay po.
Ha?
Okay.
I don't wanna promise like exact. Kasi yon siguro nagawa nila ng... Ikaw ba yun first, di ba?
This is
Yeah,
me.
oo. Yan kasi, siguro yung ginawa yan before, plain dark.
I think so, yeah.
Oo, kaya nakapag-lighten sila ng mas brighter.
Okay
Ito
po.
kasi patong na dito. Ito light, ito dark. So, it depends. Ha?
Okay po.
Okay, sige po. Go glide Yan. Blonde ka na ulit.
So nice.
Carry lang.
Thank
Yan.
you.
Opening to closing ka.
I don't feel bad for ate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, 3 days ka muna wag mag-wash, ha?
Okay.
Then after 3 days, every other day, ha? Purple shampoo, special a lot of treatment. Okay? Carry?
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Akin na mirror.
That's so nice. Oh, but that took so long.
Yeah. Kasi meron kang mga dark Yan. Jet black. Yan, at least na-lighten pa rin natin.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Go, kain na po.